Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and friends all around of the world, I'm Cecilia Farias, directly from Florida, United States, representing the Abayomi and Abayomi Academy. It is with immense pleasure that we welcome you to the third Smart Cities Help Citizens World Summit, Smart Solutions for a Better Life. We're thrilled to have you join us to this exceptional event, which will unfold from November 13th and November 18th entirely online. Our program is nothing short of fantastic. Inspired innovative solutions for a bright future, we will delve into areas at the heart of the Abayomi methodology. Conscious citizenship, physical and digital space, innovative management, communications, human relations, health, and well-being. These pillars are the foundation of the discussions and presentations in both English and Portuguese.
Throughout this summit, you'll have the opportunity to explore a wide array of thought-provoking topics and renowned speakers from different parts of the world, ranging from communication as a tool to empower the human being from a transdisciplinary perspective to how the energy of your home affects your life it is the world. We have prepared a diverse program with more than 45 presentations, roundtables, workshops, and meetings with authors, among others, which promise to enrich your knowledge and inspire new ideas. We will explore vital issues such as sustainable designs, self-awareness for greater communities, community vitality, the digital world, and much more.
The roundtables will address two important topics such as trends and challenges in urban housing and conscious cities, promoting citizen participation in digital era. Our connection with you extends beyond the presentations. We have created exclusive communities and LinkedIn in both event languages, and we invite you all to interact and engage there. Additionally, our interactive workshops will provide hands-on experience, including the Healing House, Vision and Action Boards, and Potential Board. As we embark in this enlightening journey, we encourage you to actively participate, connect with fellow attendees, and absorb the wealth of knowledge and inspiration that will unfold over the coming days.
We truly believe that by working together and exploring innovative solutions, we can create smarter, happier cities and communities that benefit us all. So let's make the most of this opportunity, engage wholeheartedly, and shape a better future together. Thank you for being a part of the third Smart Cities Helping Citizens World Summit. We can't wait to embark on this journey of discovery with you.
Welcome, and let's make a truly remarkable experience.